Hello foodies, it's Mihaela from Blondelish.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make gluten-free cranberry bread. This moist and fluffy cranberry loaf has the perfect balance between sweet and tangy. I love to make it for my crowd, especially during the holiday season. To start, preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit, 175 Celsius. Lightly grease a loaf pan with a bit of coconut oil. Line with a piece of parchment paper to prevent the loaf from sticking to the bottom of the pan. We really don't want that. Now, I have two large bowls here. In the first one, add the gluten-free flour, coconut flour, cinnamon, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Stir to combine. Crack the eggs into the second bowl. Add in the maple syrup, coconut oil, and vanilla. Add in the orange zest and squeeze in all that delicious fresh juice. Whisk until well combined. Pour the egg mixture over the dry ingredients and whisk to combine. It's time to fold in the cranberries. You may use fresh or frozen, no need to thaw. Transfer the batter to the prepared loaf pan and bake for 45 to 50 minutes or until golden on top and the toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow it to cool on a rack before slicing. This cranberry loaf will make your loved ones happy, I promise! That was it for today, foodies! For the full recipe plus tips and tricks, just click the link below. And for weekly updates, like, share and subscribe.